So how to trade in a volatile market. Now, we do get a number of periods where the market goes through extremely volatile times, and it's just like, whoa, how on earth do I trade in this time of high volatility? And this can trigger, you know, if, for example, at the moment, US government shutdown triggering a lot of volatility for the dollar, Brexit, so much movement for GBP, and a host of other catalysts behind causing high volatility. So look, I've written up some steps here. First one being risk. The main thing is you've got to manage your risk. If you're not managing that, essentially you could potentially blow up your account, and then you're not going to have any capital to trade with. So that's got to be, above all, the number one point that you factor in. Two, the trend. Look, despite this interim volatility of all this noise that's going on, the market is paying attention to the overall trend. So it may be doing this, but if you're looking on maybe a 1 hour or 4 hour candle, it's like going crazy. So just focus on the overall trend and stick to your plan. Three, sidelines. Don't be afraid to literally just sit on your hands and not trade and just wait for this volatility period to pass. Or if your particular instrument that you're trading is highly volatile, perhaps come out of that and look at trading something else. Four, higher time frames. Now, as I said there, with the higher time frame, it may show that the market is trending higher, and if you are looking at trading the higher time frames, naturally it will help you reduce your lot size or how much you're looking to trade, which is also a good way of dealing with trading in those high volatile times. And then five, turn off the news. Sometimes I agree with that because, you know, for example, most recently with Brexit headlines, we've seen, as an example, GP spiking aggressively to the upside, and then it just quickly reverses. And, you know, if you're seeing that spike, it may throw you totally off course of your analysis and end up moving in the right direction that you had in the first place. But you may have taken a snap reaction on the back of that news, which, you know, just made you go totally against your plan, and you're kicking yourself in the bucks. So yeah, pay attention to that. And one thing, just very lastly, if for example you were a trader within an investment bank, a professional trader, the risk manager would come out
and say, excuse me traders, the time at the moment is very volatile because we have Brexit going on, so please, 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 can you cut down your exposure, maybe look at slashing your lot size and the amounts you're trading.
And that itself is going to help you as well, managing and trading in an overall highly volatile market. So those are the points. Make sure you click the link to read more, some thorough details there from one of our contributors. Thank you very much.